autoplay services on Huawei Mate 40 RS series. This is a method that works on all Huawei phones and supports the next class phones. Now, how to download the program? Click on the link below this video. And now we will show you a way to download the program from the site. When you click on the site, this list will appear for you. You click the free download machine will show you this image. Click on I am not a robot. This list will appear for you. Click on the word that you see in black and the program will download. And when you finish downloading, you install the program. The program appears to you in this way, so you cannot run all Google services. I hope that you like this program. Do not forget to like this video so that you can receive all new things. Please activate the bell. Please support me.